Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Sunway Lagoon in Petaling Jaya, just a quick 30 minutes drive from Kuala Lumpur. Even with a bit of rain, there is so much to see and do here. Sunway Lagoon is the place where you can scream, splash, meet wild animals and flip upside down, all in one day. If you are wondering why you should add Sunway Lagoon to your bucket list, let's just say this is the place like Disneyland, a water park and a jungle safari, all wrapped into one with a little Malaysian spice. If you are new here, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel adventures. Since it opened in 1993, Sunway Lagoon has been one of the Malaysia's top attractions and they are always adding something new and exciting. Let's talk about the ticket price. It is defined for Malaysians and non-Malaysians. Malaysians get a bit of a discount as locals, while international visitors pay a little bit more. But trust me, the experience is worth it. So if you get your ticket at the gate, it's about 383 ringgit for adults, but here is a tip. I booked mine online on trip.com and got it for only 187 ringgit. So booking online not only saves you money but also the hassles of waiting in line. I would definitely recommend looking up online options for the best deals before you arrive. The ticket gets you access to all 6 themed zones: Amusement Park, Water Park, Wildlife Park, Extreme Park, Stream Park and the Night Park. If you are carrying bags and valuables, Sunway Lagoon has a handy locker system. You can rent a standard locker for 25 ringgit. Check this out, the Pirate's Revenge ride. The Pirate's Revenge is a high-speed pirate ship that swings you back and forth. And if you are brave enough, it even goes a full 360 degrees upside down. And here is the Tomahawk. Let's just say if you are into spins and drops, you will love it. It swings in full circles, making for a wild ride. Unfortunately with the rain today, they had to close a few of the big rides for safety reasons. But hey, better to be safe than sorry, right? Next, we are heading into the water park, perfect on a rainy day. Sunway Lagoon's water park is famous for its surf beach, which happens to be the world's largest man-made surf pool. With real waves, it feels just like a beach, right in the heart of the park. The water park here has something for everyone. The Vuvuzela is a must. This is the world's largest vortex water slide, and it is epic. Twist and turn down this giant funnel before splashing down. If you want to enjoy everything in the water park, I recommend starting early to make the most of the day. For those who want a little speed, the go-karting track is just the thing. If you are up to for a race, just make sure you have got the closed-toe shoes on. Now we are entering the Wildlife Park. The Wildlife Park is designed to feel like a jungle, and the rain today just makes it look even more vibrant. It's a beautiful spot to take a break from the excitement and just enjoy being close to nature. This area is home to over 150 different species, from white tiger to peacock and colorful birds. They even have daily bird shows, which are always a hit with families and animal lovers. And here we are, folks, at the VIP section of Sunway Lagoon, the Peacock Showdown Arena. Okay, not an official name though. But look at him. This is the diva of the animal kingdom, the fabulous peacock, putting on a show that he has clearly been rehearsing for all week. As the sun dips below the horizon, the place transforms into something straight out of a dream, or maybe even a thrill packed movie. By day, the park is all about the water rides and roller coasters, but by night, a whole new world comes alive. If you want to check out the night park, you actually do not need an extra ticket to enjoy this part. As long as you stay inside when the day park closes, you will have the full access to the magical night park without paying anything extra. So plan ahead and stick around to experience the park in a whole new way. Look at these balloons they gave me. Such a fun touch. Look at these lights. The entire park is aglow. Every corner has its own vibe. Some parts feel like you are walking through a quite amazing village, while others pulse with neon and bass from nearby attractions. It is magical and a little bit mysterious. It is the perfect way to end the day. Whether you are here for the rides, the wildlife, the water attractions, or this amazing night park, Sunway Lagoon has something for everyone. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. See you next time. Bye bye.